What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on your PC. So let's do it guys. Insert your Windows 10 USB installer in your computer USB port. Then restart your computer to the boot menu. And from the boot menu, choose the USB. It should be UEFI USB. Then click on Enter. If your PC won't go to the boot menu, or you don't know which key is for the boot menu, then I'll put a link in the description so you can find your PC's BIOS boot menu keys. In most computers, the boot menu key is F12. Some computer is F11. An HP computer is F9. Or you can click on Escape key, then you can choose where you want to go. Some computers like Acer, you have to enable the F12 key from the BIOS. I hope all of you can find the right keys. If not, you can check out the link in the description. Because we want to perform a clean installation, then we click on No. In this window, we have three options. On the top, language. In the middle, time zone. And in the bottom, keyboard layout. Choose your time zone and keyboard layout, then click on Next. Click on Install. And here is the box for the Windows key, if you have one. If you don't, or you want to reinstall Windows 10, then you don't need a key. If you upgrade from the older Windows, then you should have a key, or you can give the key later. To skip this window, we click on I don't have a key. Now we have to choose which version of Windows 10 we have. In my case, I have Windows 10 Pro. I just want to explain a small thing about N. N means no media package, and this version is only for European Union. Microsoft has to follow European rules. That's why they removed their media package from the Windows. So if you live in European Union countries, then this version is for you. Tick the box, I accept the license term, then click Next. In this window, we choose Custom because we want to perform a clean installation of Windows. I hope you have backed your file before this. Otherwise, cancel and go back. Back up your data and come back. I'm not responsible for any of data losses. If you have another hard disk on your PC, then unplug it before this process. You should only have the hard disk or SSD you want to install Windows on. Here I delete all my partitions and then I click Next. Windows will create all the necessary partition again. So don't worry about that. So there is one partition left. Click Next. Installation will take 5 to 15 minutes. It depends on your computer speed. So you can sit back and drink your coffee. After the installation, your computer will restart, and then you have to follow the guide on your screen to complete the installation. We almost done here. From now on, I will not speak and only show the process. All the links will be in the description. I will make another video about how to create Mac OS X USB installer. and then how to install latest Mac OS X on your Mac. If you have any question, please leave in the comment. Thank you for watching. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. See you next time.